Hello students, welcome to Educare. This is Vinod Bihani and today we will see the first 20 elements of our modern periodic table. Perhaps you know, on this earth everything is chemical and the base for the chemicals is the about that elements we have in modern periodic table. Every compound, every matter is made up of in its basic part as element or the atoms of that element. Perhaps you know the modern periodic table is based on Mostley's periodic law, which was improvement of that Mendeleev's periodic table. And according to that law, atomic number very important. Electronic configuration gives how many electrons in which cell, in outermost cell how many electrons are there, and that decide the valency. Today we will see first 20 elements details from periodic table. Every chemistry student from at least school level, even if that studied in 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th standard, then after that he or she should know more, but first 20 elements should know. First element is hydrogen. Its atomic number 1. It has 1 electron in outermost shell, actually only electron, and its common valence is 1. We already know valence is the common term used to denote the combining capacity of an atom, means one atom of that element can combine with how many other atoms. That is the valency. Second element is helium. It is inert gas. Inert gas in the atmosphere, they are helium, neon, krypton, xenon and radon. Out of that, the first one is helium, whose atomic number is 2. It has 0 valency because it not combined with any other element, and its number of electrons in the outermost shell 2, that is called as duplet. The term is used duplet to denote there are 2 electrons there that pair. The third element is lithium, whose atomic number 3, common valency 1. It has 1 electron in outermost shell. About the lithium, it is the alkali metal in the group first of periodic table. The next one is called beryllium, atomic number 4, whose valency is 2 and it has 2 electrons in its outermost shell. Next one is boron, atomic number 5, whose valency is 3, it has 1 electron in outermost shell. Next one is very famous, very important, very useful, carbon. Its atomic number 6, it has 2 electrons in outermost shell and its valency is 4. It means carbon can form 4 bonds with other elements. The next one is nitrogen. Our atmosphere has the highest percentage of gas, that is the nitrogen by volume. It is 78 point something percentage. Its common valency is 3 or 5. However, it is mostly show 3, like in ammonia, NH3, you know, it contains 3 hydrogen joined with that nitrogen. And it has 3 electrons in outermost shell. Outermost shell also called valence shell, therefore its electrons are also called as valence electron. The next one is very important for us, oxygen. Without that no life on earth. And oxygen, perhaps you know, it is evolved in the photosynthesis reaction. It is the byproduct. The main part is the, you know, main product I mean is food in the form of glucose, but we get oxygen there. More than 90 to 95% of the oxygen present on this earth is given by that photosynthesis reaction produced by green plants. Whose atomic number 8, I mean oxygen, its valency 2, it has 6 electrons in its outermost shell. Next is fluorine, that is one of the halogen. It is very electronegative, it is the highest ionization potential and it is the poisonous element. It is the element fluorine having valency 1, it has 7 electrons in outermost shell, just 1 electron short to complete the octet. It is followed by neon, inert gas, whose atomic number 10, it has 8 valence electrons, octet is completed. So let me write here octet like I have written duplet there for the helium. And it is again 0 valency, not donate, not accept, not share any electron. The next element is sodium. It is the alkali metal, it is below lithium in first group and its valency is 1, it has 1 electron in outermost shell. The next one is magnesium. It is alkaline earth metal, it has 2 electrons in outermost shell, atomic number 12 and it has valency 2. Next one, aluminium, valency 3, atomic number 13. Number of valence electrons 3. Next one is silicon. The today's all that electronics world, mobile, TV, computer, laptop, all that internet is due to that semiconductor materials, and those semiconductors, silicon and germanium, silicon with atomic number 14, whose valency is 4, it has 4 electrons in outermost shell like carbon. Then the next one is phosphorus, whose atomic number is 15 and it has 5 electrons in outermost shell by that configuration 285 written shell wise, you know perhaps, and its common valency is 3 or 5. Next one is sulfur. Its atomic number 16, it has 6 electrons in outermost shell, it has valency 2 or 3. Sulfur, very important, its compound sulfuric acid called king of chemicals, H2SO4, that is termed as, you may search and check correct or not, king of chemicals. Next one is chlorine, that is one of the poisonous gas but present in our common salt that we have in the food, and its valency is 1, it has 7 electrons in outermost shell like fluorine it is. Next one is argon, inert gas, it has 8 electrons in outermost shell, atomic number 18, octet is completed, so I have written octet here also. The next one is potassium. Potassium is alkali metal like sodium, it is below sodium in the periodic table in first group alkali metal S block to know its chemical address in the periodic table, and its valency 1, its number of valence electrons also 1, atomic number 19 I have just told. The last is here 20, last means 20th, not last from periodic table. We are taking only first 20 element. In periodic table there are total 118 elements. Okay, then it is calcium. Do you know calcium present in our human body in the form of that, in the various bone structure, in our teeth also, in the form of calcium phosphate and some compound that present there. Okay, then calcium present in milk also, perhaps you know it is useful for human being, and its valency is 2, it has 2 electrons in last cell and its atomic number 20. So you should remember all these 20 elements with these chemical details, especially atomic number, number of valence electrons and their valency, that is combining capacity. So that's for all that session today. You can see our other videos for that chemistry details, that previous or incoming. Fine, thanks. As we have come to an end, like this video, comment which concept you want to see next, share this video with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on that notification bell icon.